So can you see this right over here? It's a cash value life insurance training. I'm about to break down how a policy can grow cash and protect your family at the same time. This is going to be one of the best trainings you ever see anywhere on the internet. So check this out. So here we go. Plus, we got a cool mountain view with the training, right? So let's jump right into it. Cash value life insurance trading by Jared Bonica. Myself, I'm a licensed broker working with the top carriers in the country, 20 or so. I specialize in some of these cash value policies. So let's show you how you can do this to build wealth for yourself while you're alive and also protect your family. So let's dive into how this works. We're going to discuss how just repositioning some of your money to work smarter, to protect your family and grow your wealth, how this can have an impact over the course of your life and your family's life. Now, where does your money normally come from? W-2, side hustles, real estate, wherever you have types of income coming into your life, what normally happens? Most of it ends up in a bank. Some of these other places people consider putting their money. Now, some of these are exposed to market downturns. Maybe some aren't, right? So why would somebody consider a life insurance policy to grow their wealth? Well, first off, this is a life insurance policy. So 50% of the population about doesn't even have life insurance. And what this is a transfer of risk from you and leaving a burden behind to your family over to the life insurance policy for an affordable monthly payment. So if you die unexpectedly, your family is well taken care of with a death benefit that gets left behind tax-free to them. However, certain life insurance policies come along with extra features and benefits that just because you're getting a life insurance policy, why not take advantage of what they allow you to do also? So again, instead of all the money going to where it usually goes, what if we just moved some of it by an affordable monthly payment or one annual lump sum and get life insurance? So these cash value policies, which are Indexed Universal Life, or Whole Life, are going to allow you to do some amazing things, such as, one, obviously get a life insurance policy so your family and loved ones, if you pass away, can claim that benefit tax-free. They are protected, right? Pays off the mortgage, pays off your debt, pays for your kids' colleges, weddings, whatever you want their future to look like. We can customize a policy based around just a death benefit portion alone. So now let's dive into the cash value savings account component of this. Because when you make that affordable monthly payment or one annual payment and it goes into the policy, part of that payment will pay for the life insurance, your face amount, what the death benefit will actually consist of. And part of that monthly payment or that annual payment will actually sit inside the savings component and start to earn a really nice interest rate. Now, some of the features of this cash value savings account is that the money is safe. You never lose it, no matter what happens in the market. So you literally take all the gains in the market and you avoid all market loss forever. Unlike some of the things we have over here, if the market downturns, well, what happens? Unfortunately, people who lived through 2008, last couple of years during COVID and things, they have experienced that loss. So safety for the rest of your life, avoiding all loss, is very important to a lot of people. What else is it? This cash component is liquid. You can use this money. You can loan it out to yourself. It gives you great rates of return, 4 to 6% or more. And that is compounding, right? And that growth can be tax-free money. And what do I mean by tax-free money? Well, as this cash inside here compounds, your interest earns interest upon interest, all the gains can be tax-free, because if you loan the money out as you need back to yourself, well, because it's structured as a loan, you're taking money as a loan out of the policy, it is tax-free. If you withdraw the money, then you pay taxes on it or you close the policy. But that's how you get a tax-free retirement income later in life, because you can loan this out to yourself in your retirement ages and use it to supplement anything else you might have over here, like 401s, IRAs, etc. And what is very interesting, your affordable monthly payment, well, you can actually add more money beyond your monthly payment if you want. So you have extra room inside this cash value account to put extra money in as you maybe make more from these sources, W-2, side hustles, etc. Instead of just letting, historically what happens, all your money sit in a checking or savings account earning a small amount of interest. As we set this up and we open this policy, you'll have a limit. There is a limit to how much cash you can actually put in here beyond your monthly payment. But now you have a new home. You can put just that extra cash, so this grows even quicker, earning interest even faster, guys. So that is the power of this. You protect your family with life insurance, but you can have this working for you in the background, which does all these tremendous things, many of which of these cannot. And all of this can be customized to fit your affordability. You know, it's based on your age and your health. Now, you do have to qualify, but you can actually be the payer and the owner of one of these policies and someone else is the insured. So if you're older and maybe you took this out on one of your kids, you can do that. So even if you don't qualify because of your personal health, there is a way to get around that. You still own the policy, you pay into it, you can use the features and the benefits of all this, which I just talked about. Just someone else you love is the insured. So I created a video overview. All you have to do is text policy to 855-608-3361. Watch a video I made showing the cash growth. This is an instant replay. The software automatically sends you a link to watch this video where I outline the structure and the setup of this, of an example on a 50-year-old, and it shows how much the cash actually builds to over time based on his monthly payment and adding extra. So it's a really great video to watch. Visually, it helps to see this. So I would go ahead, text policy to that number now. Take advantage of this free video. You can watch it even if it's in the middle of the night, guys. And after that, if you think opening up one of these policies for yourself and your family is something you want to consider, I would love the opportunity to see if we can help you out, discuss some options and what a custom one might look like for you guys. Be well. Take care.